Well, the COVID situation in Michigan is causing a lot of concern as we approach the Thanksgiving holiday. And not surprisingly, many people have questions about boosters. Our Dr. Frank McGeorge is here live to answer more of your questions submitted to clickondetroit.com. Hi, Doc.
Hey, Kim. Yeah, so a viewer named Liz asks, I received both doses of the Moderna vaccine plus a booster. Am I still at risk? Have there been any breakthrough cases after receiving the booster? Well, Liz, unfortunately, the truth is there have been some breakthrough cases even after a full vaccine series plus a booster. And that's why during times of increased spread like we're having right now in Michigan, masking in public is recommended even when you're vaccinated. Now, the good news is that breakthrough cases with the vaccinations that you have are generally not very severe. Now, here are some more of your questions. Christine asks, I received my third Moderna vaccine and was told it's not actually a booster and is a full dose shot, and there is no such thing as a Moderna booster. My parents also got their third Moderna vaccine and were told that it's a booster and is a half dose. Who's right? There is a Moderna booster, and it's a half dose of the original vaccine. However, immune-compromised people can get a third dose of Moderna, which is a full dose. That additional dose is not considered a booster, but rather part of the original vaccine series for those who may not have responded sufficiently to 2 doses. Now, another viewer asks, is there a J&J booster shot? I would prefer not to mix the vaccines. The J&J booster is simply a second dose of the original vaccine you received. It's recommended for everyone who received J&J at least 2 months after your initial dose. If you did want to mix and match, you could choose to receive a Pfizer or a Moderna booster instead. Now, another viewer asks, I want to know if it's safe for the family to gather for Thanksgiving when I have elderly parents fully vaccinated, but my father is weak as he just finished chemo and has a heart condition. Only half of the family is vaccinated. Only you can determine if it's safe. My opinion is that there is some real risk that you should be aware of. As you point out, even though your elderly father is vaccinated, the recent chemotherapy puts him at a higher risk. Adding unvaccinated family in the mix only increases the risk to everyone, but especially him. To improve the safety, I would suggest testing everyone with a rapid test before the gathering and limiting his unmasked exposures. Now finally, Mary Ann asks, originally I received the J&J in March and a Moderna booster last week. My question is, when would I need either another vaccine or another booster? So that's a really good question, and unfortunately we simply don't know. That can only be answered as we study how well the immunity holds up over a longer period of time. Back to you.
I always look forward to hearing the answers to those very good questions that you're getting from Click On. Dr. McGeorge, we appreciate it.